Here we are in our math solution worksheet for Microsoft Excel Core Lesson 5's step by step. We have used sum, auto sum, count, variations, average, and now are going to look at the minimum and maximum or min and max function. So in the step by step, use the min function. We will go to cell P8 and we'll type the word min. And then below that in P9, we're not going to type an equal sign. We're going to go to the Formulas tab, and we're going to drop down the arrow under AutoSum and see these most commonly used functions. We're going to select min from the menu. We get an automatically selected range, but it is not the correct range. So we're going to select the range that we would like, which is B9 through M9, and hit enter. All right, 150 is the lowest or minimum expected electricity bill for the year. All right, we'll do that for gas by copying. So we will do a copy and a paste. Copy, paste. All right. We could also, of course, have used our autofill to copy. Lots of options. Now we will go to max function. So we'll go over to Q8 and we'll type the word max. Oops. And we will hit enter. In Q9, we can type max function out using equal. And then here, after I open my parentheses, I could select my range here. Hit enter, it'll fill in the rest of the parentheses for me. Okay, 230, the highest or maximum monthly electric bill that we received. And I can use autofill to drag that down to get the maximum gas bill. At this time, we will save our budget math solution for the final time and submit.